an engaging and comprehensive guide to designing a modern bathroom. The video will begin with an introduction by an engineer who provides a brief overview of the bathroom design project, highlighting key phases and the expected outcome. Following the introduction, the engineer will delve into the planning and layout stage. Detailed visuals, including sketches and layout diagrams, will be shown on screen as the engineer explains how to plan a bathroom that maximizes space, functionality, and aesthetics. The next phase will focus on material selection. Viewers will be treated to high-resolution images of various materials and finishes, while the engineer discusses the pros and cons of each option to help viewers make informed decisions. The installation process will be presented with a step-by-step guide. This segment will cover essential tasks like plumbing, tiling, and installing fixtures. Visuals will be meticulously synced with explanations to ensure clear and easy-to-follow instructions. In the final touches phase, the video will demonstrate how to add decor and accessories that enhance the bathroom's appearance and comfort. Professional advice on choosing the right color schemes, lighting, and decorative elements will be shared. To conclude, the video will present before and after comparisons, using high-quality images or video clips to showcase the transformation from the initial concept to the finished bathroom. This narrative ensures that viewers are engaged, informed, and inspired to undertake their bathroom design projects. The video is designed to be suitable for both YouTube and TikTok audiences, maintaining a balance between professional content and an engaging presentation style.